This is the lilac. It's a white one, and only the flowers are edible on this plant. And I'm going to make a lilac cordial. And this is one of the beautiful deep purple lilacs at wintergreen, which we'll also use in the cordial. Here we have the 20 heads of lilac flowers that I've just cut from the lilac bushes, and I'm about to strip the little flowerets, I guess they're called, from the stems. There they are, the little flowers off the stems. Didn't even take as long as I thought it would. And in some recipes, actually, they use the full flower head and don't even bother stripping those flowers. And there we have the lemon juice about to add to the water sugar mixture. That took about a half a dozen lemons. And meanwhile, here we are bringing to the boil the water and the sugar. And there it is, in the mason jars, where it's going to sit for about 5 days. I'll try and remember to shake it every day or so. And you can see already that the coloring of the water is turning a bit pink from the lilacs. I had to divide it into two. It's a little bit more than I expected. Here we are 5 days in. The mixture has become a beautiful pink from the colors of the lilac blossoms. And the next step is to pour it through a wire mesh sieve and bottle it. There it is. Oh my goodness, it smells so beautiful and lemony and lilac-y and spring-like. And I've just put a touch in my water to infuse it. It's delicious. Can't wait to use it on pancakes and to infuse other drinks, iced tea, even champagne.